So now I am going to run this program. So just go to the run option. So after running this program, so I want two outputs. One is welcome and second one is welcome to ABCD. Now you can observe what is the output of this one.
Yeah.
Welcome to ABCD only. But you can observe here also we are using H1 welcome H1 close now. So why won't show? Why? Because normal HTML files, normal JavaScript file won't support any HTML code. So if you want to check here, just go to the inspect. So in inspect, we have the console now. In console, so you can observe here. Now I'm going to click on console. See, it will raise us one error. Unexpected token less than. So that means in line number 6 it will show some error. So we are using in line number 6 h1 tag we are using now. This is not possible in normal HTML programming and normal JavaScript also. It is not possible. But in React we have the concept called JSX. In the JSX directly you can write any HTML code in the directly in the script. So that is the new feature in the React. So through the React, you can write any Java, any HTML code in the JavaScript. And at the same time, this code we are going to apply for the variables also. For example, I'm going to simply write where a equal to. So here, what I'm trying to do is I'm going to assign this code to the variable a. So these type of features, it will be supported in the React, but in the normal JavaScript, it won't support. Again, it will raise us some error only. So these type of new features, it will be supported in the React. So clear, right?
Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's clear.
So now, so this is the like a front end things we did now. Then we have to use backend for this. For backend, we can use like a PHP. So what is the use of PHP and why we are using PHP in real-time scenario? We'll discuss. By using PHP, we can design so backend functionality. Like if you want to write any logic, you can write the logic in the backend functionalities. So by using PHP, we can build the dynamic websites. So dynamic website in the sense, so if you are inserting some data, like already we posted some news in the BIT now, it will automatically reflected in home page. How it will be reflected? So before reflecting only, it will store entire thing should be in the database DB. So from the DB only we are going to do that. So whenever if you want to perform any dynamic thing, we have to use so CRUD operations. CRUD operations in the sense we have to use create. Then we have to use retrieve, that is read or retrieve we can call it as, and we are going to perform update, and at the same time we can do the delete. These type of operations we are going to perform. So how we are going to perform all these things we'll discuss in our regular sessions. So along with this, so this is server side scripting now. For this type of server side scripting languages we have to use some server installation. So for PHP, we have different servers. Depends upon the OS. If your OS is so Windows, we can use WAM. So your OS is so Mac, we can use MAM. Where OS is Linux, we can use LAMP, and we have the XAMPP. This XAMPP is neutral for all OSs. So maximum cases in real-time scenario, all are using XAMPP only. First, you have to download this XAMPP software and you have to install properly, then only your dynamic application should be run. Otherwise it won't run anything. So whenever if you are to install this XAMPP server, by default there is MySQL server also inbuilt is there. No need to use separate database concepts. So by default we have MySQL server directly. So whenever you are installation XAMPP, automatically this MySQL server also installed successfully. So these type of things.
Exams support all type of operating system.
Yes, yeah, it is neutral.
Oh,
So
okay.
yes, we can take your different ways, different Macs also there. So you can go through the WAMP, MAMP, LAMP like that. Most probably all are using XAMPP. Why? Because it is neutral for the all OS, no? So that's why.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this is about overview of the entire course. Okay, so along with this course, each and every day we are going to so do some assignments. For example, after finishing this class, I'm going to give some task. You have to do some assignment and you have to mail me. So next class, before starting next class, to check whether so your program is correct or not. We have to check. In case if you have